Right in front of a big truck, and Elizabeth is here, and then the construction truck is coming. Yay, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Turn. Go. Your thing. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Got scared there. There's a truck. What's this? What's this? Good girl. Good girl. There you go. There you go. It's all scary. Good girl. What's that? What's that? Huh? What's that? What's this? What's this? Hey, Elizabeth. Elizabeth, what's this? Come. No. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. What's this? Elizabeth, what's this? What's this? You want to see? Come, what's this? Good girl. That was hard. Come on. What's this? What's this? What's this? Look. What's this? Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. What's this? Elizabeth, what's this? Go, 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 go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. So construction sites, and we live in Montreal, so they're everywhere. Use them. Use these machines to desensitize and get dogs habituated with all these scary things. Makes their life a lot better.